Good morning everyone, this is Joanna from Gymboree Play and Music Myanmar. Today, I'm going to show you how to play with tape. Tape, that's right. We are going to use tape to have some fun activities with your toddlers and preschoolers at home. So let's get rolling. First activity, you can just put the tape one by one, line up on your tray and let your baby just peel the tape, or you can also use table or their high chair tray to stick the tape, and they will just be peeling it, which is very helpful with their fine motor skill. Another one, if you have popsicles at home, I'm using the medium size, but if you have bigger size, you can also just tape the popsicle and let your baby remove it, but make sure you're there to guide them. You can also make use of your baby's toys. You can just stick them on the wall and let your baby remove the toy as well as the tape together. That really helps them with their eye-hand coordination as well as fine motor skill. For preschoolers, they can work on their gross motor skill by using the tape and sticking one line on the floor. So you can let your preschooler balance along the line, and you can also let her go side to side along the line, side to side. And she can also jump back and forth, back and forth. You can add some learnings using the tape by taping letter A alphabet on the floor, or you can also use other alphabets as well as shapes. So let's start. You can use your baby's toys, favorite toys, any toys, and let them trace the alphabet by lining their toys and trace our alphabet here, our letter A. Thank you for watching. I hope you will enjoy tape activities with your little ones at home. Stay healthy. See you next time. Bye-bye.